Are you a baddie? Are you tired of asking for urgent 2K? Are you tired of looking at your bank account? Are you like, wow, what am I doing wrong? Why don't I have money? Are you tired of being broke or being uncertain about tomorrow? If you are, I was once like you, uncertain, broke, helpless, and dependent on people until I discovered the secret I am about to share with you all in this video. Have you ever wondered how some girls are busy making money, buying wigs, going on vacation? In fact, it seems like they had it all. And to some of us, we call this luck. Sometimes we think that these girls woke up being lucky, they woke up being rich. Let me tell you, my darlings, these girls know the secret. The secret is what I am about to reveal to you in this video. In today's video, I am going to be telling you how smart girls, beautiful girls, baddies, high-class babes, different girls, different ladies are cashing out money in 2026. It is not what they post on Instagram, and it is not what they post on Facebook. In fact, these girls are silently cashing out money on the low without telling anyone. And then again, I am about to reveal it to you. Yes, I am talking to you that is scrolling right now, pretending you're browsing. Come and have a seat and watch this video to the end, because trust me, it is going to be useful and it is going to be highly revealing. Like I said, in today's video, I am going to be teaching you and I am going to be telling you how I make $25 daily. That is the least I make daily. And to some persons, $25 may be a little money. Why to some it is a big money? Yes, to me it is a big money. Just imagine you're making like 40,000 daily times 1 month. That's almost close to ₦1 million in a month from the comfort of your home. Yes. Now let's go straight to the point. Which platform am I talking about? I'm talking about Tango. I am going to teach you how I make $25 daily on Tango live stream. I became a live streamer when I came out from my camp, when I went for my NYC. Before my NYC, I never knew what live stream was all about until I met my friend, a friend of mine who was a TikToker, and I never knew people were making money off TikTok then. And that's why I joined and how I became a live streamer on TikTok. And trust me, TikTok was so amazing. I made a lot of money. Things were nice. I had a lot of gifters. In fact, I made millions on TikTok live stream until my account got banned out of my own carelessness. Okay, so when my TikTok account got banned, I tried creating multiple accounts, but they were also banned. I thought it was over until I discovered this platform called Tango. Listen, unlike TikTok, on TikTok you need about 1,000 followers to go live, but on Tango you don't need any followers at all, not even one. When I joined Tango, the first 2 weeks was a hassle. It was like starting from the scratch. I couldn't get gifters. I wasn't getting anything. I missed my TikTok terribly then. I was complaining like, God, did you just put me in this platform to punish me? But then again, I kept going. I kept showing up, being consistent. So these are some of my Tango live stream. On Tango live stream, sometimes I'm a seductive dancer. I dance and I have a good time with my friends and loved ones or my fans. Yes, Tango live streaming is not for the decent churchy girls. I must be honest with you. If you want to make money off Tango, you must be completely nasty. You must be willing to go wild, go gaga, go gaga. But then again, there is no excuse. If you're ready to make money, you've got to take shame away. You've got to take discipline away. You've got to really focus on the goal. Because trust me, poverty is the worst thing that can happen to anybody. When you are poor, you have to work really hard, else people will look down on you. Sometimes people don't really care how you make money. All they care is you're successful, you're rich. So I am an advocate of use your youth wisely. Now that you still got the fire body, the beautiful face, the beautiful skin, why not use it wisely? Now let's dive back into the Tango live stream. One of the secrets to earning gifts and being successful in live streaming is number one, Be gorgeous, not just gorgeous, be beautiful. Investing in your looks. Looks matter a lot on live stream. One of the secrets of making money on live stream, especially Tango, is looks. Looks matter a lot. You see that your beautiful face, that your beautiful hair, that your beautiful skin, treat it like an asset, because when you are gorgeous, when you are beautiful, people will gift you more. We're not even talking about the girls that got big buttocks, big butts. Those people are making a hell lot of money. You and I know how men are willing to tip you once they see big back. Like I said, Tango live streaming is not for the decent. So if you are willing to shake or you are willing to shake some ass, like, you know, you really dance, trust me, you're willing to do all that, you are going to be cashing out. Like, that's why I said, if you are a baddie, you don't even need to sleep with any man. You don't need to sleep with any man, because you can make money from the comfort of your home. So people make $100 to $200 daily on that app. Some people, maybe those of us who just started, are earning at least $25 daily. Let me tell you, when I started, it was difficult, and trust me, you're going to also face that difficult phase. People are just going to come to your life and they bounce out, come to your life and bounce out. But the more you keep showing up, the more you keep being consistent, people will tip, people will gift, people will begin to get addicted to you. Like on Tango, what do? I dance. I love dancing. Not like I'm a good dancer, or not like I'm a bad ass dancer. I just love to be happy. I treat the dancing part of me like an exercise, like, or a workout section. I use it as well to detox my mind, like to transmit positivity to my home. I just turn it to a ritual, dancing, listening to good song. I'm imagining listening, dancing, and doing what you love doing, and people are gifting you money. And the next thing that made me make more money off Tango, because right now, when I check my statistics, as you can see, Tango says I earn more than 65% of persons on the platform. And I just joined, and not just that, I have earned no less than 100,000 diamonds. Look at it, I have earned no less than 100,000 diamonds, and I've withdrawn a lot of money from the platform. The one I withdrew last Sunday or something was 181,000, and I still got a lot of the platform that I'm about to withdraw. Now let's talk about how to get gifters, how to make people addicted to your live stream. Number one, be a positive person. Have vibe. Like, you must not be like me, but let people feel welcome when they get to meet you. Invest in your look. I used to think that buying clothes for myself, buying hairs for myself was a waste of money, because I love savings. I love saving a lot. Most times I prefer to have money in my bank account. I can literally have millions, 10 million, 8 million in my account, or even 1 million in my account, and still look haggard. Why? Because I feel like, why am I buying these clothes? That's a waste of money. That money should be saved. It should be saved for future. But the day I started investing in my look was the day I realized that your investment in your look is also an investment. Because when people see that you look good, they treat you better, they treat you more, and they tip you more, they give you more. They feel it's a privilege to even have access to you. So my darlings, what am I saying? Tango live stream is where you can make money. How do you start? How to start is this. Number one, download the app on Google Play Store. When you download, use my referral link on the description box and put it as a referral. Then look good. Get a little lightning, or open your curtains, or open your window, and just put in something sexy. Trust me, I am different on Tango because I look extremely sexy. I look hot. I dress semi-nude, like I dress really hot. So I'm not this person you'll see here on Tango. So what you do is dress sexy. Emphasis on looks. Looks matter more. Try to put on lip gloss, look good, then come on live. Hi, I'm this. I just joined this platform. Nice to meet you all. You smile. You know, just be happy. If you have music, you can dance to it. I started with ring light and That is it. So this is it. So if you have music, you can dance, you can, do anything you want to do. But the major secret is keep showing up. And trust me, you'll be grateful. You'll be happy you came across Victoria Good channel. You'll be happy you came across this profile, this page, this YouTube, or wherever you're watching it from. Tango live stream is where baddies are really making money. And not just that, we have other live streaming apps. In fact, live stream right now is the real oil money. Not just the oil money, is replacing content creating. As you can see, I have not had time to do YouTube for some time. I've not had time to upload videos much on YouTube, aside some of the faceless contents I upload, because every now and then I'm on live stream, because money I make daily on live stream, sometimes I don't get it daily on YouTube. I'm not discrediting YouTube, I'm just saying that smart girls are cashing out heavily on a live stream. And if you have the looks, you have the beauty, you have the hair, what are you waiting for? Go start your own live streaming. You can start yours and thank me later. And start yours today. I'm sure you'll crush it. I believe in you. If you have any comments or any question, ask that in the comment box. And note, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. You can share it to your loved ones.